just a little quick video. I was rolling these Toros up and using this Ecuadorian Connecticut Shade wrapper. And it is so delicate. And got some holes in it, but you know, I can cut those out anyway, where I'm going to. So I figured I'd take you guys along on one and show you what it's like working with very fragile leaf that's even slightly overhydrated. Anyway, I'll cut there. Work with what the leaf will give me. Yeah, that works. That works. A little hole there, but it'll be buried. These lines are from the edges of the press, on the edges of the mold. Turned them 90 degrees. And sometimes they're just really juicy. And there's that tear. Now it's buried. There we go. Wrapper's much thinner and more delicate than any other leaf we have. And as you can see, it looks like absolute crap right now, but it'll tighten up, don't worry. It's so thin. I don't use this wrapper often for this exact reason. It is very delicate, very finicky, and almost always has holes in it. Come on now. Where you belong. And press. there we go. Cool. Thanks for stopping by. Please, please, please hit that like and subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. Have an excellent morning.